The MaxiDiag MD808 Pro is the most affordable all-systems diagnostic and advanced service function scan tool on the market. This lightweight handheld scanner is shop-tested to be the diagnostic tool of choice for DIY mechanics and professional technicians who need to complete projects quickly and efficiently. Autel provides free software and vehicle coverage for the life of the MD808 Pro and the best value in diagnostics. Quickly and easily download software updates directly to your tool using the USB cord to ensure latest vehicle coverage for your repairs. Featuring a larger 4-inch color LED display, the clear and precise icons and information allow technicians to easily read detailed service instructions, quickly review DTCs, and view graphed live data. The large 16GB micro memory card stores your current diagnostic software and vehicle coverage for domestic, Asian, and European vehicles with enough space for future releases. Time-saving AutoScan will scan all the available modules within the powertrain, body, chassis, and information and communication systems, including modules controlling today's vehicles' most popular features, including automatic braking, lane departure warnings, navigation, hands-free communication, electronic steering, blind spot detection, and stability control. The MD808 Pro lists all available DTCs, noting if codes are present, and easily defines each code with a press of a button. The playback and printing functions provide test review and documentation. The MD808 Pro is also a dedicated service tool, providing ready access to the most popular service procedures, including oil and service light reset, battery reset, steering angle sensor calibration, electronic parking brake, diesel particulate filter diagnosis and regeneration, and throttle adaptation. The easy navigation guides the technician through each step in the selected service with question and answer prompts, then displays instructions to complete each service. The MD808 Pro is your best option, whether searching for an affordable troubleshooter and service aid for your garage, or an all-systems diagnostics and advanced service function scanner for your busy repair shop. If you have any questions about your tool features or how to register to perform software updates,